In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Facebook ad account to Meta Business Suite. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to manage their ad campaigns more effectively within the Meta ecosystem. Whether you're looking to centralize multiple ad accounts or simply get started with your very first campaign, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So, boss, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the business settings within the Meta Business Suite. This is your central hub for all things related to your business management, so familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Once you're in the business settings, you're going to look for the option labeled Accounts in the left-hand menu. Click on that, and then you should see another drop-down menu appear, one of which will be labeled Ad Accounts. Click on Ad Accounts to proceed. Now that you're in the Ad Accounts section, you'll notice a series of options to add an ad account. This is where you decide whether to add an existing ad account, request access to someone else's, or create a brand new account. Let's talk about each option to provide some clarity. If you already have an ad account and simply want to integrate it with your Meta Business Suite, you'll choose the option to add an ad account. You'll need the unique ID of the ad account you're aiming to add. Think of this as the fingerprint of your advertising efforts. Carefully enter this ID when prompted. It's crucial to ensure accuracy here, as even a small mistake could lead to challenges connecting the right account. Once you've entered the ID, follow any additional prompts to confirm the addition. Alternatively, if you're looking to manage someone else's ad account, perhaps for a client or partner, you can request access. To do this, select the Request Access option. You'll then need to provide the ad account ID, as well as a few additional details that may be required to establish a connection, depending on privacy settings. Once you've successfully submitted the request, you'll need to wait for approval from the owner of the ad account. Lastly, if you need to create a brand new ad account from scratch, select the Create a New Ad Account option on the menu. This is generally straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account's details, like naming your account and setting your preferred currency and time zone. Make sure to think carefully about these choices, as they will be important for your future reporting and management. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently add a Facebook ad account to Meta Business Suite and start managing your advertising campaigns more seamlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to come back for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Meta's business tools.